So the one thing I would suggest to people is be a little wary of, people who are out there promoting tax programs. They say that we have tax favored vehicles that you can do certain investments through. Some of them may very well be very valid, very legitimate, right? However, I've also sat across potential clients that had bought tax programs, if you would, where they were going to do, let's say in this particular event, they were going to make certain types of investments and certain types of activity through their retirement account. And they had spent a significant amount of money. And when I sat with them and I shared with them why they could not accomplish that through their retirement account, they could not figure out why they were sold a bill of goods, if you would. They had spent a lot of money. They had asked me if I would call the person, that program, the people who were promoting that. I did. And the answer I basically got was, look, that's why we ask everybody, this is the people who put on the program, charge a lot of money, spend time explaining to this potential client of ours that you could do this, this, and this through your retirement account. Their answer to me was, well, that's why we tell them to go seek their tax advisors. So what I recommend to everybody, and that was no answer, by the way, but what I recommend to everybody is do seek your tax advisor. Go see a CPA. CPAs do add a tremendous amount of value because, for instance, in our firm alone, we have hundreds of clients with hundreds and thousands of issues, right? So we're dealing with lots. I mean, there's no two people have the same fact pattern. No two people fall into the same. So there's a lot of issues to consider, a lot of factors, a lot of moving parts. It would behoove you, especially if you're thinking about starting a business, if you're thinking about setting up a qualified retirement plan, if you're thinking about making investments in real property and buying rental properties, if you're thinking about doing some investments in foreign entities, foreign properties, timeshares, etc., there's a lot of value I believe you would get out of seeking, if you don't already have a tax advisor, seeking one and getting advice.